So you installed Linux. But why aren't the hackers calling you yet? Relax and take a deep breath. We've got you. Does installing Linux instantly turn you into a hoodie-wearing keyboard ninja? In reality, nope. You just stared at a terminal wondering why the command ls didn't download anything. Linux isn't magic, it's control. It runs servers, firewalls, hacking tools, cloud systems, and then some. And yes, it lets you break your own system faster than Windows ever could. The terminal scares beginners because it looks like it can summon demons. Here is where you break stuff, but it's just text commands. ls means what's inside your directory. cd means take me somewhere else. Congrats, you're already dangerous, but you will be a top gun. Linux has a lot of distros, basically personalities, 600 plus to be exact, which is insane. I mean, just look at how many there are. Ubuntu is friendly like Eddie. Kali is, don't touch me unless you know what you're doing. Arch users will remind you they use Arch. So I guess what I am saying is, choose wisely. Then there's sudo, which means, I know what I am doing, probably. Linux trusts you long enough to let you delete everything, but only if you really mean it. There's no C drive here. Everything starts at / the root of all power and regret. Mess around in the wrong folder, and Linux will calmly let you ruin your day. Linux won't make you a hacker overnight, but it will make you smarter and more respected within society. If you break stuff, fix it, and keep going. Keep learning Linux, and more importantly, keep watching the G-Man channel. Stay for the next video and subscribe. You won't regret it.